Good day everyone, my name is Justin Maycabagan and let's talk about Mesoamerica. Mesoamerica is a region mula sa Central Mexico hanggang parts ng Central America. Dito umusbong ang mga great civilizations tulad ng Olmec, Maya at Aztec. Kilala sila sa kanilang farming systems, calendars, at writing, gayon din sa pagtatayo ng malalaking pyramids at cities. Malaki ang naging contribution nila sa development ng kultura at science noong ancient times. Hanggang ngayon, nakikita pa rin natin ang legacy nila sa architecture, agriculture, arts, and knowledge systems. One of the contributions of Mayan civilizations were astronomy. The Mayans were highly advanced in the field of astronomy. They carefully observed the movement of the sun, moon, planets, and stars, which helped them create accurate calendars. Their knowledge was not only scientific, but also connected to their religion and daily life. One remarkable example is the Pyramid of El Castillo in Chichen Itza. During the spring and the autumn equinox, the sunlight creates an illusion of a serpent slithering down the staircase of the pyramid, symbolizing the feathered serpent god Kukulkan. This shows how the Mayans combined their astronomical knowledge with architecture and spiritual beliefs. And number 2, eclipse prediction and agriculture. Isa sa mga remarkable achievements ng Mayans ay ang kakayahan nilang mag-predict ng solar at lunar eclipses. Gamit ang kanilang observations, nagawa nilang maunawaan ang regular pattern ng langit. Bukod dito, ginamit din nila ang astronomy para sa agriculture. Nakakatulong ang kanilang sky observations sa pagtukoy ng tamang panahon para magtanim at mag-harvest. At ang number 3 naman ay calendar systems. Dalawa ang main calendars na ginagamit ng Mayans. Ang number 1 ay Zokin at ang number 2 ay ang Haab. Ang Zokin ay may 260 days. Ginagamit nila ito para sa religious rituals at spiritual guidance. On the other hand, ang Haab or Hab ay may 365 days at mas nakabase sa solar year. Kaya, perfect ito for farming at seasonal activities. Kahit magkaiba ang purpose ng dalawang calendars, both were essential sa kanilang kultura at society dahil nakatulong ito to organize their daily life. Bukod dito, pinagsama rin nila ang dalawang calendars to form what is called the calendar round. The system covered a cycle of 18,980 unique days, about 52 years, bago ito mag-repeat. Dahil dito, they were able to track time and amazing accuracy. The calendars helped them plan festivals, schedule agricultural cycles, and conduct important ceremonies. It also shows na sobrang advanced nila dahil na-combine nila ang astronomy, mathematics, and the religion in one highly sophisticated system. Number 4, agriculture and engineering. Na-improve ng Mayans ang kanilang farming techniques gamit ang raised fields at irrigation canals. Ang raised fields ay parang elevated plots of land na nakakatulong para hindi masira ang crops kapag baha, while irrigation canals ensured na may sapat na tubig ang mga pananim kahit dry season. Dahil dito, naging mas productive at stable ang kanilang food supply, which was crucial para sa survival ng civilization nila. Bukod sa farming, sobrang advanced din sila pagdating sa engineering. They develop hydraulic systems na nagdadala ng tubig papunta mismo sa kanilang mga lungsod. This innovation made their communities more sustainable at nakatulong din para dumami ang population nila. Their ability to manage natural resources through technology shows how the Mayans combined practical knowledge and environmental adaptation, making them one of the most advanced civilizations in the ancient world. Number 5, arts and tools. Mahuhusay din ang mga Mayans bilang artisans at craftsmen. They created looms na gamit nila sa pag-weave ng textiles. Ang mga tela nila ay kilala sa magandang designs at durability, at madalas din ginagamit sa rituals, trade at bilang simbolo ng social status. This shows na hindi lang sila practical, kundi creative din pagdating sa cultural expression. Gumamit din sila ng iba't ibang minerals at natural resources para mas gumanda ang kanilang artworks. Halimbawa, ang mica at iba pang minerals ay ginawa nilang bright at long-lasting pigments for murals, pottery, and decorations. Dahil dito, naging sikat ang kanilang artworks, carvings, at painted ceramics, which reflected both their daily life and religious beliefs. Their mastery of tools and arts highlights how advanced, creative the Mayan civilization truly was. Number 6. Rubber innovation. Isa sa mga pinaka-unique na contributions ng Mayans ay ang discovery at paggawa ng rubber mula sa halaman. Sila ang isa sa mga earliest civilizations na nakadevelop ng paraan para makagawa nito. Long before modern science, ginamit nila ang katas mula sa rubber tree at hinalo sa iba pang plant materials para maging durable at mas flexible. Ginamit nila ito hindi lang sa practical tools, kundi pati sa paggawa ng rubber balls para sa kanilang ceremonial ball games, na very important sa kanilang kultura at religion. These games were not only for entertainment, but also symbolic of cosmic and spiritual beliefs. Their innovation in creating rubber shows how resourceful and advanced they were in using natural materials, proving that Mayan knowledge contributed to technologies still relevant today. Number 7. Writing system. May sariling hieroglyphic system ang mga Mayans na binubuo ng mahigit 800 symbols. These symbols were a combination of pictures at phonetic sounds, kaya mas complex siya kumpara sa ibang ancient scripts. Hindi lang ito simpleng communication, kundi isang paraan para i-record ang kanilang political events, myths at religious practices. Makikita ang kanilang writings sa stone carvings, ceramics, murals at lalo na sa mga codices o sacred books na gawa sa bark paper. Sa pamamagitan ng kanilang writing system, na-preserve nila ang history, kultura at paniniwala, which gives us a window into their civilization hanggang ngayon. It shows na sobrang advanced sila when it comes to literacy and record keeping. The last but not the least, the contributions when it comes to mathematics. Isa rin sa pinakamahalagang ambag ng Mayan ay ang konsepto ng zero, which was a revolutionary idea in the ancient world. Unlike other civilizations na walang malinaw na symbol for zero, the Mayans used it as a part of their base 20, vigesimal number system. The system is very different from the base 10 system we use today. Dahil dito, naging possible para sa kanila ang paggawa ng accurate calculations, lalo na sa astronomy at calendar systems. Their use of zero and place value allowed them to calculate huge numbers with precision. This mathematical advancement gave way to their scientific accuracy, making them one of the most intellectually advanced civilizations of their time. Thank you!